Hi guys, so today I want to show you how to make no knead donuts in just 10 minutes. So here we have sugar. We're gonna put a tablespoon. I'm not gonna put all of it. And then we're gonna put some salt, just a teeny bit of salt, like so. Hope you can see. Don't know why it's not focusing. Then we're gonna come to our self-raising flour. This is what's gonna make it the time to be short. So I'm gonna use 4 heaped tablespoons, and then we're just gonna mix everything together like so. And then we're gonna add our water gradually. And make sure your oil is heating up at this point. You can add a spice if you need to or if you want to. So if you see excess flour, you know you need to add some water. You can actually make this every morning or every other morning. As you can see, it's gotten together, no excess oil. So at this point, what we're gonna do, we're gonna add some oil, just a little bit like so. Yeah, you see, everything is good, everything is incorporated. And make sure to use a very strong spoon. So now that everything is good, even our dough, you can see it's really looking good. So at this point, you'd think it's not done. This actually is done. The flour is done. You don't need to do anything. You see, it's not even sticking to the bowl. Yeah, the flour is done. So first I'll show you how to make the bowl. So here are our donuts. That little flour gave us 6 donuts. 4 heaped tablespoons gave us 4 donuts. So let's remove them. So here we are. This is the way they look like. Oh, this one looks so good. I like it when, this is why you shouldn't have like a perfect circle, because these edges are actually very crunchy. And if you like crunchy like me, then yeah, you'll be very happy with this. So this is what we got from the four tablespoons of flour. You can see it looks amazing. So we're gonna let it cool, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks inside.